Welcome back to the Dune Report. In this video, we're going to do a Dune Report Showcase on a 2011 Supreme Performance Superfly 4-door sand car. I have the owner, Lucas, right here with me, and we're going to kind of walk around it and talk about the vehicle. Let's go ahead and start with, well, everybody usually likes to hear about the engine, so let's start back here at the engine. What engine are we running right here?
It's a 2002 5.3 LS.
Okay, perfect. Modifications that you've done?
I put a stage 3 cam in it.
Okay.
Put the Gibson headers on it.
Nice.
And that's pretty much it right now.
Okay, but you have some more plans in the future.
Oh yeah, yep. I'll be upgrading to the intake, an Eldebrock fuel injected intake.
Okay.
With a programmer and everything.
And we're estimating somewhere around 400 horse.
Yeah.
It hasn't been dynoed yet, but after you do some more upgrades, I'm sure it'll get dynoed at some point there. Transmission?
It's a Mandiola. I guess that's how you say it.
I think that's how you say it.
But that was upgraded this winter. We put that in. Okay. It had a Volkswagen transmission in it that wouldn't hold up.
Okay, understood. All right, let's talk about some of the color. I hear you painted it?
Yeah, this winter we decided we wanted to make it our own, personalize it, so we came up with a paint scheme we liked and we went with it. We drew it all up on the computer and I wanted orange on orange, and this is what we came up with. My friend Tim Corright, he painted it for me.
Yep, and he said that's his
yep, his logo.
His logo right there. Nice. The paint job's beautiful. Yep. I like that a lot. And you said you originally had it orange with black highlights.
Yeah.
Right?
When we drew it on the computer, we had the black flames on it, and it just didn't look as good, in my opinion.
That makes sense. And on the back here, you have a little tribute here.
Yep. This tribute to my son. We lost him 2 years ago. Nice. So we wanted to, have something of him on there.
Yeah, that makes sense. Absolutely. And moving around to the front. We'll chat about suspension. So we're running on Fox coils.
Yep.
What's the travel?
They got about 14 inches of travel, which
Excellent.
seems to work all right out here.
Nice. I know it's been rough out here this weekend, so it can only be beneficial to have that kind of travel. Okay. Interior's pretty standard right here. Did it come with the 4-point harness, or?
Yep, it came with 4-point harnesses. We upgraded them to the 5 points. Right now they're still 4 points, but we put brand new harnesses all the way through, and we'll be getting the other parts in it.
Nice. All right. And I know that I was out filming one of the jump hills not too long ago, and we'll probably play that footage right now so everybody can actually see it. But you blew out the rear tire here. Yep. And you were mentioning that the tire ended up hitting right here.
Yeah, it rubbed there, came all the way up here.
Okay.
Yeah, it did some rim damage.
Right.
I pounded it back, and that's what I'm running right now until the new ones come in.
Right. Everything's on back order these days, so
yep.
I agree. That's wild. All right, cool. Well, that's gonna pretty much wrap up the talking portion here, and yeah, we're gonna go see if I can keep up with them in my Jeep and get some good action footage. So thanks for watching.